you're in your own home
Okay.
and you've had some drinks, someone breaks in. Is the alcohol a problem if you have to defend yourself or your home? And should gun owners be hesitant to drink even in their own homes?
It's a really good question. And I think it comes down to, because it implicates, right now we're talking self-defense. How are your self-defense rights implicated if you don't have the normal use of your mental or physical faculties? And so, what we see across the states is a combination, or, usually it's a combination of a subjective reasonable belief standard and some kind of objective standard of how would an ordinary and prudent person act under these same circumstances if a person was forced to act in self-defense. And when we see this objective reasonable person, it's a check on somebody who might harbor unreasonable beliefs, or it's not an ordinary and prudent toilet hugging vomiting drunk. It's an ordinary and prudent person, a normal person.
As a Galveston County judge we used to work with would say, knee slapping toilet hugging drunk.
Yes,
that's a good Texas phrase for you.
But so it could affect your reasonable belief, and so if you harbor unreasonable beliefs because you've drank to such a point that you are intoxicated, lost the normal use of your mental faculties, it's something that a jury is going to be able to consider in your self-defense case.
Right. So I think we can imagine a hypothetical where you're in your house, you are knee slapping, toilet hugging, right? Someone kicks down your front door. They've got, a pistol in one hand and a Bowie knife in the other and a mask, and they're like, I'm here to kill you. And you shoot them and you're highly, highly intoxicated.
Right.
Is that a problem? Probably not.
No.
Whereas, let's say the highly aggressive Girl Scout from next door comes in with her bag of cookies and is like, you didn't buy this year, and you shoot her because you're so intoxicated that you're in that moment, you're like, oh my gosh, she's a threat.
Right.
Is that a problem? Well, yeah, the intoxication has probably affected your reasonableness, exactly
Yes.
to your point.
Yep. But I am not aware of a state that criminalizes the possession of a firearm on private property or inside of your own house when, consuming alcohol. I'm not aware. It may be out there.
It may be, but I'm not aware of it.
Yeah, I'm not aware of it.